Here's everything you need to know about one of the most powerful new features in AI, Agent Mode in ChatGPT. In this video, we're going to break down what Agent Mode is, how it works, and exactly how you can start using it today to save time, automate tasks, and scale your productivity. And if you stay until the end, I'll also share how to access our free AI resources so you can also become a part of our growing community and be an AI legend. So now let's get into it. Let's start with a big idea. Agent Mode turns ChatGPT from just a conversation partner into a customizable AI assistant that can act on your behalf. Instead of asking ChatGPT to write you an email or analyze data, you can actually create an agent. A specialized AI with memory, instructions, and access to tools that continuously perform tasks for you. Think of it as creating your own virtual employee that never gets tired, forgetful, or distracted. What makes Agent Mode special is its ability to chain tasks and handle context over time. With normal chat, you're limited to back and forth prompting. But with Agent Mode, your AI can be programmed with goals and workflows. For example, you can build a research agent that automatically scans the web, summarizes reports, and organizes data into an Excel file. But imagine opening ChatGPT and being greeted not by a single assistant, but by a team of specialized agents that you've created to fit your personal and professional life. With the Agent Builder, you don't need to connect any complicated accounts or manage multiple logins. You simply define what role you want the agent to take, describe how it should respond, and let ChatGPT do the rest. For example, you might want to create a medical agent. This assistant is not meant to replace a real doctor, but it's designed to provide general wellness advice, help you track healthy routines, remind you to stay hydrated, and even explain medical concepts in simple, accessible terms. Now imagine switching over to another agent you've built, your personal marketer. This one could brainstorm social media campaigns, help you draft promotional content, and even suggest brand strategies for your small business or personal projects. You don't have to figure out everything from scratch. This agent can provide practical frameworks and creative ideas, turning vague concepts into market-ready strategies. It's like having a marketing consultant available 24/7, right inside ChatGPT without needing to hire an entire agency. Then there's Financial Advisor Agent. This one helps you navigate the tricky world of money management. Whether it's creating a realistic budget based on your income and expenses, or giving you educational insights into investing strategies tailored to different levels of risk. Again, it does not replace certified professionals, but it gives you a safe space to explore financial concepts, plan your goals, and understand how different financial decisions might play out. So instead of scrolling through endless articles on budgeting or investments, you get the answer structured to your situation, explained in a way you can actually use. So what makes Agent Mode so powerful is that all of these roles can exist within the same ChatGPT ecosystem. You can switch between your medical agent, marketer, or financial advisor without ever leaving the platform. Each one remembers the personality and the purpose you designed it for. So it feels like you're working with different experts who knows exactly what you need. And the best part is, you don't need any coding skills to make this happen. You just describe the agent's role, define its tone, and set the boundaries of what it should and shouldn't do. From there, ChatGPT brings your vision into life, guiding you through each step and making your ideas practical. As for the access, Agent Mode is currently rolling out in ChatGPT for pro and business users. If you're on the free version, you'll still have access to basic features, but the full agent building experience is included only in paid plans like ChatGPT Plus or Team accounts. So the question is it worth it to subscribe to ChatGPT just for the sake of using agent mode? Technically, when you subscribe to ChatGPT, agent mode is not the only feature you'll unlock. But with the agent mode alone as the purpose of your subscription, I'd say it's pretty much worth it. If you're looking for a way to go beyond simple prompts, or if you want AI to act like a reliable teammate, remembers instructions, and works across multiple tasks, then I think agent mode is worth exploring. To get the most out of it, start small. Build one agent for a single task, like drafting weekly reports or managing your emails. Then scale up, create a team of agents that works together, each handling a different area of your workflow. And that's it for today's deep dive into agent mode in ChatGPT. Whether you're a student, business owner, creator, or even a developer, this tool has something for you. If you're new to this channel, go ahead and click the subscribe button along with the notification bell so you'll be the first to know once we upload our next episode. And as promised, if you want to access our free AI resources, just check out the pinned comment down below. Let us know what you think about this episode in the comments, and I'll see you on our next video.